can see, if you have a look at that island, you could see the trees diminishing there.
Yeah.
This island has suffered particularly badly. We would have to go into very heavy adaptation measures.
Right.
With water breakers, embankments, and abutments, that kind of thing. But you can't do that for the 2,000 islands. But that's, I mean, adaptation is not the way to go about it. You won't be able to adapt when climate change kind of goes into free fall.
You're looking for new places for your country to go if in fact it sinks. You've famously done things like looking for land for your people in Australia or Sri Lanka or India because you don't want to become climate refugees, I believe.
In the next century, more than a quarter of the world's population would be on the move. And it would be fairly chaotic.
What happens when bigger countries have the same problems and they can't go anywhere?
Well, what happens when Manhattan sinks? Where do they go? All of them go into, middle of Texas, I don't know.
Right.
This is just not only our issue. What happens here happens to the United States and your people tomorrow. We cannot be so short-sighted in this.
So if we don't do something to stop climate change, what happens?
We die. There is, you can't cut a deal with Mother Nature. I mean, this is not arms control or this is not trade agreements. There is no plan B because there's no planet B.